I'm late, got a big day, gotta get home before the sun comes up. Up and away, got a big day, sorry can't stay, I gotta run, yeah.
Okay, please tell me I'm not the only one getting sick and tired of staring at the same boring walls over and over and over again. What do you say we get a little creative with our environment today? After all, dramatic characters call for some dramatic environments. What do you say? Who's with me? Awesome! Okay, come on, follow me. Oh, wait, almost forgot ya. Okay, let's be real. Nothing beats the feeling of performing live on stage surrounded by an awesome set. I know it really helps me get into character, to actually be the character. I mean, think about it. We spend months rehearsing in a small little classroom, but the moment we set foot on stage, that's the moment it gets real. But you know what? Rehearsing at home can actually have some advantages. After all, you have complete creative control over your environment. What does that mean? That means you get to create your own set. You transform your environment and you transform your online audience along with it. What about this? What does this say about my character? Am I studious, knowledgeable, intelligent? Does that sound like it might be a fit for your character? Anything you see in the frame is a choice. So ask yourself, what do you want your audience to see? Now, the cool thing about practicing online is you get to have an audience every week. Us. So what do you want us to see? And more importantly, what does that say about your character? For instance, take a look at my frame here. What do you see? You see a piano, music, flowers. It has a very elegant look to it, right? So perhaps you are a professor at Piglums, or maybe a singer from the big city, or perhaps queen of the anthill. What about now? Are you a fun-loving grasshopper, perhaps? Or like an 80s teen just hanging out and like listening to their favorite tunes? So now think about it. Where would your character choose to hang out in your house? Got any ideas? Well, guess what? We'll pause while you go find the favorite spot for your character. Well, at least for today.